Taxation can sometimes feel complex, but don't worry, that's why UKKO.fi is here to help you. The important tax matters for you include income tax, value-added tax, and car and travel expenses. Income taxes are paid based on your business's profit. The profit is calculated by deducting all the expenses related to your business from your sales. You can further deduct 5% that you earn tax-free thanks to the entrepreneur deduction. The amount of profit impacts your tax rate. The more you earn, the more taxes you pay. You can deduct your business expenses directly in the UKKO.fi service. Simply add your receipts and we will include them in your bookkeeping. When you invoice your customers, we deduct the income tax from your earnings and pay it to the tax administration on your behalf. In practice, expenses reduce your company's taxable income. Value-added tax, VAT, is a consumption tax that is added to the price of the products and services being sold. The customer pays the tax when paying the invoice, and the entrepreneur forwards it to the tax administration. If you are our customer using the Light Entrepreneur service, we'll take care of the VAT handling for you, and you don't need to worry about it. When over 50% of your car usage is related to your business, you can deduct all the associated expenses in taxation. These expenses may include fuel costs, insurance, as well as car maintenance and repair expenses. You can deduct all these costs as business expenses, reducing your taxable income and, in turn, the amount of income tax you need to pay. If you use your car for business purposes less than 50% of the time, you get mileage allowances instead of deductions. We will ask about the total number of kilometers you've driven during the year in January when we prepare your tax return. Please make sure to keep a detailed driving log for this purpose. Entrepreneurs have to file an annual income tax return for their business. This return should include information about your business's revenue, expenses, assets, and liabilities. It must be submitted each year, even if you have nothing to report. When you are our customer, we take care of this for you.